plate. Okay, so here's another Kichler in the same Ridley. And this one, the remote works unlike the other one. You see, so this is easy to operate. Light, no light. And so we're gonna turn it on low. Yeah, that's the speed it's on. Medium. And then high. Nice airflow movement. It accelerates so fast at high. Feels like a good breeze in here. Now I would say this moves about like every other Kichler, 5,000 CFM. Yeah, I'd say. Now this Ridley, I'm kind of jealous. Has a lot of remote control ceiling fans. Well, we have to pull chains. Okay. So there's that one. And then there's